right, startup test. Cool. Looks like we got air still building. Second air is going up too. The battery's good. Half tank fuel. Hard to tell if it's still pressurizing or not. Alright, so we're gonna let it warm up. Right, here we're at. It's like middle of May, I think. And got my sun-safe clothing on because it's really hot and really sunny today. We're working on taking out more of the rivets. Taking out all these. Now we have to do all of these in the hot sun, unfortunately, because I can't do it at night. I can't wake up early enough to do it in the dawn. One thing I got for this specifically was a shade that's next to a car. Alright, I'm going to put this on time lapse so I don't waste so much battery. So I think this will help me avoid a lot of the sun, but perhaps sun goes green, that it'll work out well, that useful. Alright, I'm here to take off a billion rivets. That's about how long it takes for each one. These two are almost done, but I'll start on this fresh one. I'm here under my shade structure because it's incredibly hot out and incredibly sunny right now. Basically, instead of getting a pneumatic chisel, I'm doing it this way. Do a lot more downward force and it'll come out much faster. Yesterday I took off, I think, all the lower sill and almost all of the vertical rivets. Seems about 3/4 or halfway. Done. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 24 per window, so 125 left. Later in the same day, set up this really cool shade tent, and I've been pretty happy with its usefulness so far. Right now I can use it in conjunction with this ladder to create kind of any height that I need for shade. When I'm not using it, I'm going to take these poles down and lay against the bus like a shelf. And I was pretty sure this one was going to be the right one for what I needed, and it's been pretty great, I think. Alright, so as with most things, I tend to refine my method after failing at it for a little while. So my new setup is using my step drill bit to remove the backs of all of these rivets, then use my chisel to loosen the front, then using my punch chisel on the back side, pop it the rest of the way out. And it's been much faster, but there's a lot more movement in and out of the bus, which is a little bit more dangerous because I don't really like ladders. Basically, step one, step drill bit on the back side of the rivet. Long sleeve shirt or metal shavings falling on my arm. Okay, here we're at, working on the bus, and now that all the rivets have been removed, now I need to make all these smaller holes need to be bigger, slightly bigger than 1/4. Unfortunately, 1/4 is standard, and 17/64 is not, which is kind of what I needed. I didn't want to wait on that. So It's taking a little bit of time to drill them all to be the right size. All right, the panel's ready. We're gonna try raising it. Got my first panel in place. Now it's all lined up on the edge and flush. Now I just need to put some lap sealant on these edges and drill in the holes for the rivets on this sheet and then rivets together.